How to set up SMTP server in Gmail. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily set up the SMTP server in your Gmail. Let's just jump right in. First thing first, you want to go ahead and open up your web browser, click on your account, and tap on Manage your Google account. Once you head over to your Google Account Manager, you want to find the security options on the left-hand side. Click on it. From here, you want to find the app password section. If you don't see it, go to the search bar at the top and then simply search for app password and go ahead and click on this. From here, you can set up your app name. I'll just do SMTP test for now. Tap on create. Now it's going to generate a password for your app. Just copy this password, tap on done. You can give it a name. So I'll just do SMTP for now. Tap on create. It's going to generate another password for you, but I'll just go ahead and continue on with the first one. From here, you want to go to SMTP Gmail and go to smtp.com. Now you can go ahead and search for SMTP test tool. Go ahead and click on the first link that you see. From here, you can give your SMTP server name. So I'll just do smtp.gmail.com. On security, you can do whatever you want. And on username, you can provide a username for your SMTP test tool. And on the password section, you just paste the password that you just copied from there. Then I'll just enter my email address here. I want to send this from my email address. On the to email address, I'll just do my own email address again. I'll just go ahead and tap on test it. And once this starts, you should get an email from yourself. So let me just quickly check my Gmail. As you can see, I've gotten this SMTP test email. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.